FXBros.
Yo. Okay. Yeah, we lit. Okay. All right, guys. Good morning on this Wednesday morning. Let me get this link out sent to the Telegram group. Copy the link. Let's see. Let me get this link sent out. There we go. Talk about what happened overnight and how I'm still leaning on sales for the rest of the week, hopefully. So copy. Bet. Got this sent out. All right, so let's see. So this is the daily. Since the end of December, we've been having a sell-off, which was expected, being that we didn't see any bullish continuation to try to break this double high situation. So this whole area is seeming like a strong enough resistance so far, but I do still believe we could have the potential to run back up now with this clean traffic, this bearish. It's a possibility we could run up. I don't know. I would definitely have to wait for a bullish engulfing on a daily. So we will want more bearish candles to form, similar to the scenario. Anyway, we see the arrow is notating a bullish engulfing, and that's what we want to see up in this area, or even if the market can trend down lower. Give us two bearish daily candles, then a bullish engulfing after that. That's the signature move we're looking for. As you can see in the past, happened here, on here, here, here. So it's a real strong move. One to be patient for, but that's what I see on the daily, see on the 4 hour. That's what we did, get this 4 hour engulfing to get us into sales. Starting, that was Wednesday, December 27th, Wednesday evening. That area basically just traded back up into this range. And I did have this little area notated a little gap, but it wasn't nothing. Even though it still hit it though, kind of surpassed it. But nonetheless, we saw signs of rejection from those highs. We got this bearish engulfing, and that's what we've been trending down for the latest. Let me see, do we have news coming out? No news. We got Australian news at 7:30 tonight, but no news tonight. This morning, I mean. So we zoom in. We were looking for bullishness to tap into this daily zone or this 4-hour zone to look for sales. We haven't had any strong signs just yet. We are building a nice little level of resistance here. This resistance is cool, but it's all tying in with this wick. I believe nonetheless this 50% weekly range is going to be overall our resistance that we need to break above for us to have these targets to be in play. Right now, we're just going to wait on that. Because we are continuously getting bearish engulfings on the 4-hour. And it looks like we might be getting another one at this hourly closes on this 4-hour. And that might be enough we need to get continuation, because we do have, just like we got this strong resistance range right here, we do have strong support. We got 3 touches on the 4-hour. Still ain't broke below, and we got a wick to fill too, so it would be nice to get some strong body closed 4-hour candles. It's just been hard to break through here. Every time they get to this point, any type of closes or multiple touches, they market reverses. But I don't see any new little fair value gaps that we can target. This one pretty much almost has been filled, so that's good. The rest are all the way up here. So like I said, we got to break above this 50% of the previous week range. This level here, we need to break above that and close, at least on the 4-hour. Let me see what the daily looks like. Yeah, we got a double top here. So yeah, above that. But I would say for sure above that. Anything above 67.40. Let's go down to the 1 hour. Just so we can see, let's take out the indicators. Just look at what we have drawn up. The only thing I do see as far as any type of gaps that we could reach is this little 1 hour situation up here that we could tap into. If we do wanna, but we all know news, it's just normal volume. So if the bears are gonna hold strong, we should see continued selling. But if we get in a type of bullish fight with this NYSE open, that's gonna be coming in 50 minutes. Yeah, that'll be a nice little target to look for sales from, if we can get it. 7, 17, 7, 24. Clone that. 08. I can cancel this. This is waste of time. It's already been filled. Now it looks a little more cleaner. But yeah, we got liquidity down here, so I like that target more than anything. That's why I'm leaning on sales. What are we at? Wait, on Tuesday. This is Wednesday morning. We have Monday, Sunday, right here. Starting us off. 2 highs, double high. We got liquidity up here, but also stemming from Friday's NFP. Crazy move. We could look at NFP as just a liquidity sweep, but from what? It would be from this point, tapping into this old gap that we haven't seen since December 13th. So that's crazy. January 5th tapped into the December 13th range and also took our liquidity from December 15th that took us into these highs. So we could look at it like that too, which is why market is preventing us from reaching these levels and trying to fill this wick we've been holding right here for the longest. So we have strong news coming out on let's see, share this tab. You see tomorrow we got a whole lot of, we got CPI, we got the core inflation rate coming out, and of course the jobless claims that's showing for the end of the year. So that's gonna be a good look. See how we end it off. So Wednesday is just going to be showing us where is the trend continuation. And if we could continue with anything, we are either still in a bounce, going bullish to attack these levels, or we're either struggling above this high and gonna continue lower to test this support, or we'll continue higher from here and maybe look to get some sales in this area, as long as we don't, reach higher than here. If we start seeing some resistance here, then it'll be a nice area to take some sales. And then we'll have liquidity down here to sweep, and ultimately these 3 touches down here on the 1 hour, which also showed on the 4 hour too. Yeah. Same area down here on the 1 hour. Now, ultimately, this morning, what got me into added sales was the sweep of liquidity from London. I'll go to the 5-minute. And we look at from Tuesday, going into dead time. New York closed, London closed here. Consolidation, then we get volume increases, the Asian session opens. Asian session basically took out highs of New York. We couldn't reach the old highs from London from yesterday. Remember, this is a new day. starting around this dead time, around 1500, 3 o'clock, or really 17, which is 4 o'clock our time. That's the new daily. We sweep some lows here. You see the low here, 1 touch, 2 touch support. We sweep that low here, and we get a nice increase in volume. Let me see if anybody joined in. We get a nice hold up. Let's switch this. Yeah, so hold on. All right, there we go. So basically, I'm saying this is the 5-minute, and what made me get into sales. One, I was just going over after London closed here at noon. Then we get the rest of just dead time in the market until the New York close, which is also the new daily open right here. And that started on a 5-minute with 2 touches here for support. We swept support here, opening into the Asian session or pre-Asian, into Asian session. Created highs. We swept old New York highs yesterday morning, but couldn't touch London. Then pre-London comes in. I would say, if anything, it was somewhat following structure. I mean, coming back to this push here, had some minor hesitation, and turning back here to this level before going higher. So this little range right here, just here, which is here, is important. So I could see this area, basically, if you look at it like this whole little range. Tapping into everything. This coincide with this. With a lot of play in here. Resistance here. Nice push through. Big candles. Like I said, if there's strong resistance, you need big candles to push through. Reversal. And you get a nice little hang up at the 50% level and then push higher. Came back to tap into that same area, 50%. Then market push higher. We did not sweep the low of London, which is, I guess you could look at a sign that we may not be going higher right now. But nonetheless, overall, London did sweep Asian session, and that's what I was looking at. And when I saw the London session already previously sell off, this is 5, so 4 o'clock our time. When I saw it start to retest around 5, 6 a.m., that's when I started to catch more sales for New York. And I added to my position of the sales I've been holding, targeting these lows here. But we need to see some volume come in the next 45 minutes, or really hour, after NYSE opens up. We need to see that range expand and some volume come into the market. I'm just looking back. I don't really see any levels that it has to come back to fill per se. We do have this area, but if we go come this low, I feel like we can definitely attack this support, which is my take profit. From that point, we have we'll mark it up. So that's the actual tree I entered in right here. So I saw that London created that high, swept pre-London in Asia. It's like, if anything, if we still gonna have a trajectory of selling, that was the ultimate high they needed to take. Because this would have enticed enough people into sales early, taking out the highs for liquidity. And then we get another little trick, thinking it's more buys coming up of this move. But as we see now, the true move is showing farm. Hopefully, if we continue to sell off. Now we're on the right side of the market. We definitely should be talking this liquidity, because this is the people are still holding this buy because they happy they got into this. This was proof that was true, and this was proof that was true. But as we take out this low, we're starting to rethink this position. So let's see what happens. So, Yeah, it's just a waiting game at this point. I ain't gonna lie. I'm thinking they're gonna do a delay on that ETF for Bitcoin. What's today, the 10th? Let me look at Bitcoin right now. Yeah, I know it shot up yesterday. It had some fake news on Twitter from SEC saying they approved the ETF, and then one of the guys came out saying it was false news, but I bet you they pushed the market. I did that to make the market push up and then sell a bunch of Bitcoin from that high, just to make a quick dollar right quick. What people been pointing out, a good thing is the fact that even though they go get approved today, supposedly, they still got to file. Even if you get approved, you still got to file for Bitcoin. So it's one thing to get approved, it's another thing to file it and actually get that whole listed. $66.90. Yeah. Pre-NYC 8:30. It's the open. This is so lit. You're just waiting, you're making money. Being patient. All the profits rolling. So a whole lot of cars I didn't look at. Some Fiskars going for. So still hard, bro. Say drop off. I'm still getting one of these. Damn that. One of the best silhouettes ever designed. Look at what it is. Come on, man. Crazy. Kind of horsepower this thing get. Oh, 9-gallon tank size. Love it ass tank. It's crazy. Say that. Eco Sport. 42,000 miles. 66. Eco Sport. 8,000 miles for 39. Why? I ain't gonna lie, I wouldn't be mad if it come all the way up there. Keep it all the way real with you. I mean, I don't like that it don't have a wick up here though. I would be surprised if he come up here and sell out. Person's coming up here. Yeah, next to this there below this New York open. Just New York time zone open. Not actual New York open. Like session hours. So we'll see. We shall see. Wow. I got almost 15 bands. I was just gonna get a 2 gallons, 2 miles to the gallon. They say, bro, this was $7,000, bro. That's crazy. So 2,000, like, I gotta see this. Look at that shit. 2,600 H Street for under 7,000. That's crazy. Trash, but yeah. I wonder how much these others was when they drop. It's a bunch of them. That's crazy. I want to save these hoes because I want to monitor, see how cheap they get. Because they get to like $4,000, and I'm gonna buy one just to fuck off on. Run that bitch into the ground. This fucking haul shit. Look, fucking H2. Dumbass boy. Is that the H2? That's crazy. H2 for 9 bang. I'm gonna say as is. Something wrong with that hook. That's crazy, boy. Oh yeah. At a time. In the Hummer. Long time ago, one of my partners had a Hummer. Let me use that bitch. I was rimmed up. That's crazy, bro. These fat ass tires and shit for 11,000. It's ridiculous. You should. I could see these being a good buy. Unless if they thought somebody could tell me something I don't know. That these are like the worst cars ever. Just fuck these highs. See if that's enough for us to continue lower. 20 seconds left for this candle to close. You want to get an H2 just so you go. It's nice. I like that. If we get another continuation, that's awesome. Instead of getting like how we took out this low with this body, they got a rejection up. I wouldn't want to see that. If I see some continuation, especially if we target this low, which is London's low, which we're still in. When does London close at 12, right? Oh yeah, so we're gonna be in there for a minute. So we definitely gonna attack that low, push that lower, and possibly attack Asia's low, but if not pre-London. So let's see. See what we get. We got roughly 4 minutes left. Oh, we got a nice continuation. Approaching 1 minute to close. We have about roughly 15 minutes to NYSE open. Well, we should get more volume coming into the market. What's up, brother?
Good morning, man. How you doing, man?
I'm good, brother. Good morning. Good morning. Been chilling.
Yeah. It was a long night, long day.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Check it
All
out.
right.
As you can see,
Let me
look at
see.
look what's going on in my front yard right now. Hold on. How can I switch my screen? How can I flip my shit? Let's see. Look at that.
Oh, they getting it in.
Yeah, boy. All the fire and everything, man.
That's
Yeah.
crazy.
Yep.
No.
That's what I've been dealing with.
That's crazy.
But yeah, man. Did you get into anything?
Yeah.
I'm just tapping in.
Yeah. I had overnight while I was driving, I had saw that London had made a high over what the Asian session did. So I kind of got in some entries right there.
Okay.
And added more once it retests here like 6:30. And I'm just waiting to see if we're gonna attack this low of 66.90 and furthermore all the way down to 66.70, 77.
Okay.
hmm And also I'm over here tripping. I'm on Call Gurus. I'm like, bruh, when did a Hummer, bro? I'm looking at the prices of Hummer. I'm like, boy, they plummeted.
Yeah, because of that one that do that crab drive or whatever that is.
Bruh, look at this, bruh. This is what I'm talking about. Look at this. You get a whole H3 for under 7,000.
Damn, yeah, that's crazy.
That's what I was saying.
Did any
H2.
research on why it dropped like that?
No, and haven't done any research as far as like what's the common issue for the truck if they have any.
Mm-hmm.
But I'm saying like, just on some, if you had like some land or something, like this is just a nice truck to just have some fat ass tires and just drive around your land in for 7,000.
Yeah, that's like, yeah, right. That's like a huge ATV.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Yeah. Like this could be a nice area to enter, maybe add some interest if we're gonna continue going bearish. We'll see once it plays out. We still got we got 5 more minutes for NYSC to open on this no news day.
No news day, yeah. So hopefully that'll give us something to work with.
Right.
We shall see.
Might
Hold
be.
on right quick.
Mm-hmm. H1, however. Bitch. Army edition. That one ain't got no cover. They start making these hoes. 2008. Three more minutes for NYSE. Reveral. So I got the Fisker and the rubber. See his Tesla's code. One down picture.
Looks like we got that 4 hour engulfing.
Full obvious close. Yeah, that's what I was waiting on too. Yeah, sure.
DXY is showing some type of bullish movement too. So hopefully, if that follows, we can just keep on going.
That's so good.
But yeah, man, I'm about to prepare and get ready for them to come by and finish digging and shit.
All right. Yeah, I'm about to wrap it up. We got to tap back in later on this evening, see how this do a screenshot, see how this trade worked out.
All right, brother. Appreciate you for getting on. I'm gonna catch the playback for sure.
No, you good. Well, we'll be back tomorrow morning.
All right, family.
It's that heavy news.
Yes, sir.
All right, brother. Peace.
All right, peace.